has finally been verified.
Because you can't tell whether it's like the lumber guys who you keep the curtain open or if it's the normal lumber guys. No, the one on the right side is literally the exact same size. They got like reshifted for some dumbass reason. I don't know, some big ass.
What a bum, just like a rug.
Oh.
Just, you know.
Oh, I beat it.
GG, bro.
Another team.
He's a demon. Only the demons side that they have these levels. Boom.
Only a demon.
Wait, Demon Slayer? Wait.
Call me
Dosuno.
Change my name from Godslayer to...
Change my name.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god, I forgot to turn on the fan. It's just killing me, bro. My power's chopped.
Did you forget to turn off the fireworks too?
Yo, you are like actually so unfunny. You need to die.
God, I got myself up.
I thought I was talking about the GD level for a second. Like, what the fuck are you talking about?
No. Huh?
You need to play best for part of their movie. How is Foxy stage 2?
Cause you ass.
Oh. Hitman World of Assassination free starter pack. I'm playing. I'm literally Master Lean. You guys are all my students.
Hell no, I ain't psycho.
Hell no, I ain't psycho. I don't even know what you're referencing, but it just sounds funny.
It's so fucking funny, dude. So, do you know Martin from Slushy, whatever?
No.
Alright, whatever. So he says, dude, are you a psycho? Or like, you're psycho. And the other guy says, hell no, I ain't psycho. And they usually play a character, but they both break each other.
Alright, psycho.
Dun, 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 dun. What if that was impossible? Hello guys, welcome back to the Bug video. Today we're playing Estat.
Ever wondered what it truly means to challenge yourself?
Hey. Did you really just say no sound? I was gonna say, dude, you're a hacker, what?